If you are among this particular group of people, skipping breakfast does not apply to you. There is a new trend ongoing where majority of people are skipping their breakfast because according to them, skipping breakfast is the best breakfast. In today's video, I will share with you 5 category group of people that this does not apply to. If you are among this particular group of people that I'll be sharing with you in today's video, then that skipping breakfast does not apply to you. If you are new to this channel, my name is Manuel, a licensed physician assistant by profession. Number 1 is people with an underlying medical condition like diabetes. If you have diabetes and you resort to skipping breakfast, that can make your blood sugar drop. And when your blood sugar becomes very low, it leads to a condition we call hypoglycemia. Hypoglycemia can even make you collapse. Majority of people who are being sent to the emergency on account of sudden collapse, when we check their blood sugar, it's always low. Number 2 is pregnant women and lactating mothers. Now, one thing you need to know is that when a pregnant woman eats, the nutrients being derived from their food, your baby takes parts of the nutrients. So if you start skipping meals, your baby will not be getting the relevant nutrients, and that can affect the development of the fetus in the womb. Then the same thing applies to lactating mothers. Number 3 is children and adolescents. Now, one thing you need to know is that it is during childhood that the brain will start developing, as well as other crucial areas or organs of the human body. Now, if you start skipping meals during childhood, that can affect the development of these crucial areas of the human body. And this can even affect the academic performance of the child, because it is the brain that the child will use to capture the knowledge being shared in the classroom. And here's the case: the brain, which is not developing properly, cannot cope with what is going on in the classroom. Number 3 is people who have been prescribed with certain kind of medication. You see, when your doctor prescribes a medication for you, every medication has the instructions. There are certain kind of medication that they will instruct you that you need to eat before you take the medication. There are others too that they will tell you you need to take the medication, then after 30 minutes, then you will take your medication. If you take that particular medication on an empty stomach, that can lead to some kind of complications because you didn't go according to the instructions with regards to the medication use. Number 5 is demanding jobs. If you're one kind of person doing a particular kind of job that you need to get enormous energy to work, then skipping breakfast does not apply to you. Because if you skip breakfast, you won't get the relevant energy in order to work. Nevertheless, if you're one kind of person that you are not working and then you are at home, you can choose to skip breakfast. But being in this particular group of people, you shouldn't be skipping breakfast like often. If you find this video helpful, feel free, subscribe to this channel for more videos, like this video, and then share this video to many people.